Hi everybody. I am enjoying this drink I discovered by accident. Now this is actually, I went to the store and I forgot to buy a mix, but I went to the drugstore near where I live and they had this strawberry milk drink. It's like a strawberry milkshake, and I dumped it in this glass and I counted to 5 while pouring the rum, and look how much is left. And this drink is fantastic, and I just discovered it by accident. I highly recommend you also make an accident and discover a great drink like this. It is like a milkshake, a strawberry milkshake with rum added, probably about 2 ounces, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I highly recommend you to try a drink like this. It is very, very good. Enjoy. Now, after my rum drink, I am eating an tamu todo, which is a fantastic mixture of green tomatoes, onions, and in this case I have carrots, I have tuna, and I have also chili, some chili pieces throughout this. And this is excellent. If you want to watch the recipe on how I actually make this, click the card above or click underneath the video. I'm enjoying my rum. I'm going to make another one in a minute. Hope to see you soon. Bye.